Understanding the annual molting cycle of penguins. Every year, like clockwork, penguins undergo a dramatic transformation. This period is known as molting, a crucial time for our feathered friends. During molting, penguins shed and replace their old feathers. This process ensures they stay warm and waterproof in their frigid habitat. But did you know that molting leaves penguins unable to hunt for food? They can't swim effectively without their full set of feathers. To survive this challenging period, penguins prepare well in advance. They eat a lot and build up fat reserves. These fat reserves sustain them while they can't fish. It's nature's way of making sure they stay nourished. Molting generally lasts about 2 to 4 weeks. During this time, penguins look quite different, almost scruffy. They often stay on land, huddled together, seeking warmth and protection. It's a vulnerable time for them. Despite the challenges, molting is essential for their survival. New feathers mean better insulation and swimming efficiency. Once molting is over, penguins are ready to brave the icy waters again. They're sleek, new feathers make them excellent swimmers. The annual molt also helps them stay healthy. Shedding old feathers can reduce parasites and skin infections. While molting might seem tough, it's a testament to the resilience of penguins. They've adapted to thrive in one of Earth's harshest environments. Next time you see a scruffy penguin, remember, it's just nature's way of preparing them for another year in the wild.